Niggas in the back of the car. We're gonna block the boat. We're gonna block the boat. Both the Navy lanes.
Fuck shoes, fuck socks. I'ma just get naked one day. Fuck that shit. Balls out like I came in this world like this, motherfucker. You know what I'm saying?
You can do that shit if you did it.
I didn't come out my mama's womb with no clothes on. What the fuck you do with a heater right here? Like,
do this shit. Ho! Call it the pound.
Hold on. So, you telling me?
So, like I'm telling you,
We didn't get bust on, nigga.
So what?
A motherfucker did not stand right there and shoot at us, though. That's the fucking point of getting bust on.
How far away?
No matter how far the nigga was, the nigga came
How far
and
away and what kind of weapon?
pistol at us or
That's your
shotgun.
ass.
This nigga aimed a shotgun at us and let us fucking have it.
If he was smarter, it would have been closer to his
face.
If he was smarter, I would have been dead. Cause she would have been dead.
You would have been fucked over.
That's what I said. If it was closer, I would have been dead. Cause she would have been dead. Then I can say I would have been dead. It's on camera, fool. I said I would have been dead.
If it would have been closer, that shit just flew by me. I would have got hit in the head. I would have been closer.
If anything, if I wouldn't have moved, I would have got hit in the eye. Look where I got hit, fool. I don't know why the fuck I moved. So that's why I said, fool. My dad was looking out for me.
Somebody was looking out because that nigga had a shotty.
Yeah.
Far away. Can't do nothing, homie.
Damn.
We're scared,
I would have been smiling. That nigga hit me in the teeth. He had broke my tooth. We standing out here chilling, nigga. All of a sudden we heard bloom. Everybody turned around and looked like, what the fuck? Bloom, what the fuck? We felt shit fly past them. Bloom, oh! Out of here. Right here in the safe spot?
Yeah, right here, exactly where we're at. Get in the boat.
I'm behind the boat.
Yeah.
I'm behind the boat. I don't know about that nigga. I'm behind the boat.
what up?
I remember something happened like this. We all out here like this. Video camera rolling. Then I heard about like 4 shotgun shots. I got hit in the face and the hand. And I ran. Never found out who the fuck did it.